Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we have been declared before metaphysical, global, universal, total science, new science, first time declared, and one more, new science, new Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy science, new Hucentrology equal meaning Centrumhulogy science. Has got 33 centrocentrum. Centrocentrum 1. All of the universes, planets, galaxies, stars, atoms, under atom components. Center is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 2. All centers obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 3. Every human obligatory dependence via heart, material and spiritual heart to the centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 4. All concepts centers obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 5. All sciences centers obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy science. Centrocentrum 6. All centers inside one another and obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 7. Centrocentrum mentality cause all creatures existence to continue living, physical and living organisms. Obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 8. All of the people living forever, endless, obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum governing actions, behaviors, functions is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 9. All of the universes are expanding, broadening, endless, calculated and measured. Obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. 10. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy science. Centrocentrum 10. Any creatures never, impossible, far away, to go outside. Obligatory dependence. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIS 1 go to 1. Centrocentrum 11. All centers centrals make global total universes one system. that obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 12. If one center would have been happened, problems, pathology, chaos, etc., that obligatory dependence will have been affected all other centers as different degree level as balanced by centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 13. All centers of all concepts should have been continued as allowance, permission, that obligatory dependence centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 14. All centers would have been destructed, broken down at the end, just one moment, ordering that obligatory dependence centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science, Centrocentrum 15. All centers give support one another all the time. Obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 16. The bigger centers all the time pull the smaller centers. That obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 17. Never, no, impossible, should have been introduced any other central systems, so that obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 18. Timeless, endless equal, harmony, excellent, wonderful centers, system, control, obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 19. Every center independent, inside, relatively, obligatory, absolutely, dependence outside, that centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science, Centrocentrum 20. Some centers, passive, recessive, and others dominant, that obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 21. All centers of universes and atoms under atom components obligatory just same dependence of centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 22. All of the universes, centers, and their subcenters have to go one directions, obligatory dependence, Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy principles. So never, no, impossible turn back at this system. Centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. Centrocentrum 23. All centers from universes to the atoms under atom components should not possibly introduce totally proof. Obligatory dependent centrocentrum is HYPOTHESIST. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science, Centrum 24, every center has got their is existence. Another identical male-female center. Obligatory dependent centrum is aliquan got one. Centrum 25, one center, designed obligatory as opposite center that make one another neuter. Centrum by aliquan got one. Centrum 26, one center would have been removed. Obligatory dependence, invisibility, indistinguishable. Centrum by aliquan got one. Centrum 27, the smaller size center obligatory make effect to greater size center dependence. Centrum by aliquan got one. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. Centrum 28, microzones, microcosmos equal human, and macrocosmos equal universes. Obligatory directly make affect one another. Centrum by aliquan got one. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. Centrum 29, one center, equal male center, female center, together. Make effect, obligatory, would have been happened new center. Centrum by aliquan got one. Centrum 30, from all of the universe's centers to the atoms under atom components. Centers obligatory have to governing globally, totally by centrum by aliquan got one. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. Centrum 31, all of the centers, obligatory turning, circular moving, harmonically stable, constant, velocity, speed, dependence by centrum by aliquan got one. New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. Centrum 32, every center and its outer layer has got, there is, existence, circular circles, and there's centers, obligatory dependence by centrum by aliquan got one. And last one, New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. Centrum 33, all of the universe's centers at the end obligatory would have been reached. One circular circle center that dependence obligatory by centrum by aliquan got one. I would like to say again, this is very important. Centrum 33, all of the universe's centers at the end obligatory would have been reached. One circular circle center that dependence obligatory by centrum by aliquan got one. This program, designed by EFRUZ ASİLOÐLU, ALİMHU, THEORETİCİAN, HABİRHU, HYPOTHESIST, EFRUZHU, Scientific Previsions, EFRUZHU, Cancer Carcinogenesis Theory, EFRUZHU, Anti-Cancer Drug Who North Cyprus, METAPHYSIHU, New Science, Global, Universal Total Science, and our last New Science, first time declaration, New Hucentrology, Centrumhulogy, Science. North Cyprus, center of universal love, peace, maturity, and civilization. All of the world countries, citizens, please open your hearts and make contact, meeting together North Cyprus, all of the world countries and citizens, all of the subjects, topics, North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot public, community, all the time give support, help, metaphysical who sciences and positive sciences, health sciences, and true lifestyles, opposition balanced. Please follow us. Our headquarters, Cite and others connected one another. Main headquarters, Cite, address, web address, www.youtube.com/EFRUZHU Cancer Theory. Please follow us. Your lives and living lifestyles would have been changed through direction, happiness, healthiness. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your patience.